Here is what 350 million naira will buy you at Cowrie Creek, Ikate, Lagos. Let's go! Now, right here, we are at Cowrie Creek. We're going to be touring this luxurious 5-bedroom semi-detached duplex in this estate. And you're looking at a lot of space. Now, definitely, this is the right property for you. Now, I'm going to be giving you a detailed tour of this lovely property. You're welcome home. Join me on this tour. Let's go. So as soon as you enter into this property, the first thing you're welcomed by is this ammo door. It is basically a bulletproof door. And you also have this automated lock. And essentially, you can gain access via fingerprint or access card or passcode. So now join me as we look into the living room. Now, the living room is the perfect definition of spaciousness. Now, you're looking at the first thing I notice, or the first thing I really commend, is the perfect blend of this brown tile, which merges perfectly or blends perfectly with this wooden tile in the dining area. Then you can see the little chandelier we have here for the dining area. It is actually very spacious. So you can imagine having like a a 15-seater for a dining in this particular space. Very spacious. So if you're looking at a big family gathering, definitely this serves you well. Then let's take a look at the kitchen. Now the kitchen, as soon as you enter into the kitchen, you have this storeroom to your right, where you can store your edibles and anything that you need to store. Then as you come in, you have a lot of space, as I said earlier, in your kitchen. Now you can see this island top made from marble, and you can see your gas burner top as well. You have 5 gas burner top here, and your heat extractor just right above it. And one thing I like again is you have a lot of cabinetry in this particular house. Lot of cabinet space in this house. Now let's take a look at the oven. You have your oven and you have your microwave as well here, and even more cabinetries. You have way more cabinetries than you need. Then also you can take note of this wash and basin that is actually of good quality. So going back to your living room, please take notes. On that side, you have your visitor's room. You have your visitor's room, which is here. It's actually very sizable for a visitor's room. And your guest toilet is just right behind that corner. So I'll be showing you the space of the living room, how spacious it is. Like, this is a lot of space, honestly. Like, this is beautiful. You're definitely going to love the space. And you also have this wide angle window to allow for lots of natural light into the house. And right behind here, you have this courtyard. So for a lot of greeneries, so you are definitely going to be cultivating a good culture when it comes to preserving, greeneries and all in your house. Trust me, it's actually a very lovely space. So now let me take you down to the rooms so you can take a look at what the rooms look like. Now, I really love this staircase. Aside the fact that it's a floating staircase, now this is wooden and very high quality wood materials has been used here. So I like the way it has been mounted on each other. Then that leads you directly upstairs. So let's keep going. And the next thing is, now one thing I love about this property is that it speaks a lot about luxury. It speaks luxury everywhere. For example, I need you all to understand that it is actually very costly getting wooden tiles in the house. A significant part of this house has actually been covered by wooden tiles. So when you come in from the staircase, the first thing you're seeing here is your second kitchen. You understand? You have one kitchen downstairs and you have just another kitchen right here. Maybe you need to cook up something quickly, then that can be done here. Then to your left, you have a lounge. This serves as a lounge, you understand me? And on this room here is actually the first room we're checking out. It is very sizable. This could serve as the kids' room. So let's take a look at the toilet and bath. Now, one thing I like is the intentionality in terms of the choice of tiles, the choice of materials that have been used in this toilet. So you can see your shower cubicle and you have your shower here. And you can see one thing I also like is the materials of the tiles is actually very luxurious. Let's go check the other. So you can see the wardrobe as well. So you can see the floor to ceiling wardrobe that has been used here, which is actually very quality as well. So that's the first room. Then let's check out this room as well. So remember, this is a 5-bedroom semi-detached duplex. This is the second room we're checking. This room can also serve, very good purpose. Maybe you have a visitor, another visitor, or maybe you have a large family essentially. Here you can comfortably have like a 6x6 bed on this space, you understand? Then you still have your wardrobe. The rooms are actually very sizable in terms of, space. And you have the toilet and bath here. Now, this toilet and bath is pretty much similar to what we had in the other room and is of very good quality. So, here is another room, which makes it the third room we're checking. Now, this is another room, which makes it the third room we're checking. Also very big, very sizable. You can have a 6x6 bed here as well. And the toilet and bath also done to taste. Now, we have a small utility room here. So perhaps you want to have any form of equipment and stuff, you can keep it there. Then you're welcome to the masters. The masters speaks luxury, speaks space, speaks everything that you need when you're looking to get a masters. You understand? So if you come in, one thing I like about this particular one is that when you come in here, you have like a separate dedicated closet, walk-in closet. You understand? And that makes this, that makes this property a very distinct property, actually. So then, when you are here, you just take a look at the toilet and bath. Trust me, this speaks luxury. Like can you imagine that the toilet itself is actually separated from the bath area? Like most properties are not built that way, So in here, you have the bath area, you have this double vanity, and you have your bathtub, which is actually very lovely. You have your shower cubicle as well. While inside here, to my right, we have your toilet. So you have the water heater as well in here. Trust me, this is luxury. This is the definition of luxury. So let's take a look at the balcony. Let's take a look at the balcony. Now, this is the balcony. This is the view you have of the estate from here. It is actually exquisite. It is every single thing you want in a beautiful home, well detailed, which is definitely what you love in this particular property. So let's quickly go upstairs. So what we have upstairs essentially is like a penthouse. You understand me? So you can see this large chandelier, very large drop-down chandelier here. Then imagine we still have like a wooden floating stairs all down, all up till you get to the penthouse here. So this penthouse here essentially can serve the different purposes. You understand? Maybe you have like a gathering, family gathering and the likes, and you can decide to, have that. Yeah, it is multifunctional. Finally, you have the another balcony. From here, you can have a lovely view of the estate from here. Now, trust me, This is the perfect definition of luxury. Now, my name is Adiola Sanusi, the best real estate expert in Africa, bringing you the best deals in Africa. Now, I'm sure you love this property and you want to own this property for yourself and for your family. Ensure you reach out to me, dial that number on your screen, and let's get you this lovely property. Thank you very much for your time. God bless you.